Nde wende by na canal Igbotutorials. Aham wada blessing Ifunanya Chikoma. Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel Igbotutorials. My name is Blessing Ifunanya Chikoma. In today's lesson, we're going to be talking about praise in the Igbo language. And today we're going to talk about love languages, and we're going to be talking about how to say I love you in the Igbo language, and also some praise words for female. Next time we're going to talk about for the males, but today we're going to talk about for the females. So if you want to make that girl happy, open your ears very well, or even make your sisters happy. It works with every female. Okay, so how do you say I love you in the Igbo language? Love in the Igbo language is Ifunanya, which is my name, or Ihunanya for some dialects. Okay, Ifunanya. So how do you say I love you? Aforongi nanya. Aforongi nanya. I love you. Okay, so for a female, okay, if you want to get your sister to do something for you, or your girlfriend, I don't know, or even your mother, you say Ugewe oyibo. Ugewe oyibo. Like foreign mirror. Okay, so let's leave colonization apart. You know, one of the good things that came to us is the mirror. Okay, because with the mirror you can see your face and how you look and those things. So Ugabo is like foreign mirror, like it's treasured. When it was brought to our culture, it was a very treasured artifact, because women can now use it to see their face, and see how they look. So when you call a woman Ugewe oyibo, and then we have Ahugo. Nwa. So Ugo is eagle, okay? Aqua is egg. So the egg of an eagle. Ahugo. Aqua Ugo. So she's treasured, she's precious, and all those good things. And the third and the last one for today's series is Elelebe Jolo, or some accents Enenebe Ejeolo, or Enenebe Ejehe Olo. That means, how to say it? When it literally means she's so beautiful that if you keep looking at her beauty, you wouldn't be able to do any other things. You can't go to work. Olo is work. Enenebe Ejeolo. Okay, so yes, these are the few praise words that I would love to share with you. I'm going to turn this into a series, so if you're interested in knowing more, keep a date with Igbotutorials. Okay, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you loved it. Share this video and put on the notification button. Okay, till next time, see you guys. Bye.